What is up, guys? It's been a while, but today I bought a wrecked police car, 2013 Chevy Caprice. So we're about to go pick that up real quick. I'm sick if you can't tell, but we'll go ahead and jump in the Duramax and go pick up the trailer. So I'm back borrowing. There is a car on my trailer, so go ahead and borrow this one. We'll flip the ball real quick and we're gonna head to the food line and get some money orders. All hooked up. I'll see you guys at Copart. And just like that, we're here. So let's go pay for it. You see our Jewel over there on the forklift. Got it loaded up. About to head out of here after I strap it down. Gonna go ahead and look through the trunk now. Ooh. I'll get killed by this thing falling. Alright, well, not gonna touch that. Got something right there, probably won't touch. Disinfectant, cleaner. Dang, this thing's got 2 batteries. Looks like everything is here. I'm not sure what I am looking at, but it looks to me like this needs to be up here. So I'm gonna see if it's got a spare on it, because we do have some suspension damage right here, along with a bad wheel. So this was a police Hickory car. If you don't know, Hickory's a town like 100 miles from here, so it definitely came a little ways for sure. But I'm gonna try and hang this back up real quick. So I just took the wheel off of the car. That thing is salvage, so gonna have to buy a wheel, have to buy all these airbags. I'm not sure why this is on. We'll go ahead and turn that off. Just cut this airbag out. Gonna cut these out next or something. Gonna price all these parts and hopefully get them ordered. Hopefully I can find the same color, because I just found somebody on Facebook, but if not, there's a junkyard nearby that has some parts for this thing, so we're gonna check them out also. So as for suspension carnage, you know, just grab your whole control arm and just rip it out. It is the next day. Today is Friday. I'm making a parts list for what I need, because I actually found a car in Kingsport, Tennessee, which is a little over 3.5 hours from here, but it's a crazy deal on the parts. $500 for everything except the passenger fender. But that's okay, because I bought that yesterday. Currently waiting on my wheel to come. Bought a lower control arm and something else. I forgot what it was. Getting a headlight, radiator support, because this is all mashed. I'm just going through right now, like looking. Looks like I need a coolant jug, so just some little miscellaneous stuff, but everything looks like it's going to shape up pretty well for this car. If everything goes right, I'll be getting my parts back Monday that are painted, such as the hood, fender, bumper, etc. Also, the new bumper is coming with a little push bar, so that'll be pretty cool. Probably going to throw that on there, because you know, why not, police car. So our next issue after putting the car together physically outside is, you know, we cut the airbags out yesterday, and you know, they're just hanging out. So one thing that we thought was pretty funny, you know, this bag didn't blow. Everybody's bags blew except the dash. So check this out. If you were a prisoner, you did not have any bags, so nobody was in here, because seat belts will be locked. So that's always good. But I'm gonna tint these windows next week. It's just a couple screws, which will probably be the next video, but I think we're gonna have some fun with this car. You know, it's not gonna be a race car or anything. It's just gonna be more for fun. It's been a while since I've made a video on stuff, so figured we'd bring something cool. This came to the auction, so somehow I got the honors of buying a police car. Now, personally, when I buy cars that I think are cool, I like to take the sticker and slap them on underneath the trunk. You know, because everybody likes memories. So if you want to check it out, all you got to do is go to copart.com, type in this number, and you'll see this car. Honestly, I haven't even read this yet, but any person who tampers with this vehicle or sticker will be prosecuted to the full extent of the law. That's the first. I've never seen that sticker before. That's amazing. For obvious reasons, I'm not going to show it, but I actually found a whole packet of parking tickets in this car unused. Probably just going to mail that back to the police department, truthfully. I know I'm probably not supposed to have that, but or I'll just toss it in the garbage. So what do you guys think that we should do with the interior? Leave it like it is, which is what I think, or take everything out? Don't comment saying I'm going to get in trouble. You can have a light bar in this state on your car, which is North Carolina. So, you know, if this stuff wasn't supposed to be on here, they should have took it off, in my opinion. But either way, I'm not going to be pulling people over, so. You know, we got the spotlight to work yesterday, too. That needs to be replaced for LED, boy. Out here at the parts car, about to grab this bar. Got this bumper, that headlight, and some other stuff, like this little coolant jug. Just other stuff we might need for my car. And just like that, the police car is stripped. We got our bumper, radiator sport, and I got some bad news on the cradle. It is actually the whole cradle. So where mine is pulled through, right up there, we're gonna have to have that welded. So I thought that I was gonna be able to get out of that because I thought that was one piece, but it's not. So I'm gonna grab this coolant jug real quick and we're gonna head out. About to drill these spot welds out right here and on the back side so that we can weld new brackets on here and straighten all this out. So we're gonna drill this one, and then there's two more on the back. I think we're gonna go ahead and wrap up part 1 of the police car rebuild. Let me know what you think. What should we do with it? And the next video, we're gonna weld this, work on the front end some, and see where we get with it. So thanks for watching.